Hello everyone! In today's video we will talk about using emotional intelligence at work. Keep on watching! A poor emotional management can quickly lead to conflict, cultivating toxic relationships and constant tension, leading some to burnout or even into depression or resignation. Whether it's a boss or an employee who doesn't manage his or her emotions well, we know how much this can impact the atmosphere, overall attitude, and also decisions made in the workplace. We work with these people every day for several hours. When you develop your capacity for emotional intelligence, it not only enables you to anticipate the emotions and reactions of others better, but also your own, and to lay the foundations for a fruitful and calm exchange. Be aware that the more responsibility you have in the company, the more your emotional skills will be called upon, as it is difficult to keep a cool head and make an impartial judgment in stressful and complicated situations. Now, imagine some situations where the use of emotional intelligence could be or actually has been beneficial to you and your professional entourage. And please share your experience in the comments. Here are some recommendations to work smarter using emotional intelligence. When there is a problem, speak up, be the initiator. Know what you want from the job. If not, ask yourself that question. Know how well you are performing from day to day. Set goals for yourself. Know what your employee or boss feels is important. That's a good way to avoid assumptions. Please don't make assumptions about those you work with. Learn to know people around you. Don't expect anyone to communicate with 100% honesty. That's just the way it is, and you have to protect yourself as well. Offer help. Don't wait for people to ask, and don't expect the same. Don't take things personally. Not all colleagues or employees are emotionally intelligent. Be patient. Listen with empathy. That means do not interpret too much, but take the person the way they are. When you are the boss, take this especially in consideration. Anticipate people's problems. Your position sometimes blocks persons to approach you and talk about their needs. Make it known that you are always ready for employees to improve themselves. Offer as much as you intend to give. Don't overpromise. Model flexibility and adaptability. Initiate a culture based on emotional intelligence principles. Using emotional intelligence at work or anywhere else supposes that you can manage your own emotions and anticipate emotions of the others. If it's not the case, start working on yourself. The way you will manage your environment will highly depend on that. Everyone has good reasons to be stressed or irritated, but no reason is good enough to speak without respect with a colleague or employee. There will never be a good enough reason to work without effort and quality. And there will certainly never be a good enough reason to compromise your own integrity. That's why it's so important working on your inner emotional world, understanding it, and developing a new way of thinking, a new way to be. Thank you guys for watching this video, and let's change together. Bye bye!